Hi, today I am preparing some snacks for myself for an airplane ride that I have coming up. And I'm going to make myself some really nice, beautiful flavored nuts. I've got cashews, almonds, and my all-time favorite nut, the Brazil nut. Just love them. And I always buy nuts just raw because I prefer to roast them myself, or maybe I can candy them. But I get to choose what I use to, say, roast them with. A lot of the ones that you buy already seasoned, they use safflower oil or sunflower oil or some kind of oil that I don't care for. And I kind of like to experiment and, flavor them myself. You can use your homemade ranch dressing and make ranch nuts. You could do taco seasoning. You could do barbecue seasoning. So many flavor options that you can do. So today I'm going to take these three and we're going to do three different flavors of roasted nuts. I got my oven on 350 degrees and let's get started. Now, it got down to freezing here. I had lettuce growing on the back of the boat and I had to harvest it. We had to have a salad because it was just too cold. And because I'm going on my trip, I'm fearful that my rosemary will not be here when I come home. So I'm going to use some of this rosemary to, I think, cashews. Let's do rosemary cashews. All right, so let's do 2 cups of cashews. And then about 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped rosemary. It smells so good. I love the smell of rosemary. And then you're going to do a little bit of oil. Oh, you know what? Let's do some paprika. So let's do like a half a teaspoon of paprika. That's what's fun about this when you do it yourself, guys. You just get to play. And then you know what? Because it's so good for us, let's do a little turmeric. It's going to make them a pretty color. And it's going to be good for us. I try to sneak turmeric and everything. And then you're going to want a little oil. Now, you can do your olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, melted butter, whatever you want. And I don't really measure. I just kind of do it till they look like they're all kind of glistening and coated. So that's how they look. So they look all coated. Everything looks like it's got all the spices on it, the rosemary. And then onto our piece of parchment here. And spread them out. Come on, y'all, behave. These are going to be pretty tasty, I think. And then, once I get them out, then I want to go with my fine sea salt here and just go over the top of them with my sea salt. I know they all got a little of that salt on them. Now, about 15 minutes, so I was kind of going through already made spice blends to kind of use them up. And it made me think, I've got like apple pie spice down there, gingerbread. So if you're doing like a holiday nut, you can use one of those kind of spice blends. But I also have like my homemade 5 spice or Old Bay. So you can definitely do an Old Bay season. You can do any seasoning you want. I think since I just have the little bit of lemon pepper, I think I'm going to do lemon pepper. Should I do almonds? Lemon pepper, Brazil nuts, or almonds? I think I'm going to go with the almonds. I think I'm going to do lemon pepper almonds. That sounds interesting, I think. So again, we're just going to do 2 cups. We're going to do 2 cups. And this, I mean, how simple is this going to be? Because we're just going to add this. I'll go ahead and measure to see what I have left in here, just for measurements. But it's about a tablespoon, which I was going to say would be perfect amount. Tablespoon of that lemon pepper. And then again, you're going to want a little oil. I'm just using my olive oil here. I really do like to use coconut oil, but right now, I used the last of my other one. I just don't want to open a new one while I'm kind of leaving town, and I'm honestly not exactly sure when I'll be back, so I'm just going to go with my olive oil. And again, I just did it till they all look glistening, like they're all a little bit coated, because you don't need a whole lot of oil here. Okay, I think our cashews are looking really pretty. I wish you could smell this. When I was a wee young gal, when I was a kid, we used to take the bus, I think it was called MARTA, and go downtown Charleston on Saturday. That's what everybody went on Saturday, and you saw all your friends, I guess because you didn't see enough of them at school. But there was a Planters peanut shop in downtown Charleston, West Virginia, and they roasted their own peanuts there, and the smell was amazing. They even had the big Mr. Peanut Man, like they had a big thing of him sitting out front. And that's kind of what makes me think of this. You know what? Here's something funny. I thought I grabbed paprika. I grabbed cayenne. So they might have a little kick to them. So in with our almonds. And again, I am going to give them a little sea salt. And another about 15 minutes. So I'm thinking I'm going to add a little sweetness to these, because I think the other two nuts we've gone pretty savory. So these I'm going to add a little sweetness to. But I'm also going to add a wee bit of savory as well. I've got my ancho chili powder here, my favorite chili powder. And I'm going to do some ancho chili powder. And this is a half a teaspoon, so we'll see how that looks. Could always add more. And this time I know I grabbed paprika. And I'm going to do a half a teaspoon of paprika. And then I'm going to go in with maple syrup. And I'm thinking just try 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And to see how that looks. Still waiting on these to get cool enough to eat. So good. And it's still hot. Very, very yummy. I think that was a good combo. I like that rosemary. Okay, so we're getting ready to come out with the almonds. And I kind of tasted a little. And it does taste good. And I taste the chili powder, but I'm going to add just a little bit more. Just, I don't know, I really love it, so it's probably why. And then I'm going to add some chili on cinnamon, just because I can, and the maple syrup, the cinnamon, it really goes good together. And then a little bit of our extra virgin olive oil. The oil is what helps them get, that crispiness on the outside that we want. And I'm going to do a little bit of kosher salt. I'm still going to sprinkle some on top, but I definitely want to pick up on some salt here, because I like that sweet and salty kind of together. Into a bowl, let those cool down, and then another 15 minutes. The Brazil nuts are almost done, and I went back to the cashews because I wanted to use the rest of that rosemary. So what I have done now, I've got the rosemary and the cashews. I melted 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of honey. Kosher salt, and I think those are going to be delicious too. Aren't they pretty? So pretty. I just wanted to share with you and show you how easy it is to have some fresh roasted walnuts, almonds, whatever is your favorite. And honestly, in 15 minutes, they're hot and out of the oven. And you can feel good about all the ingredients in there. So I'm going to let these cool and then into some baggies. I want to leave some here for Billy. I'm not going to take them all with me. But Auntie's going to be, I'm going to be the envy of Common Class with my homemade flavored nuts. It's just that simple, y'all. Let me know if you make some and what flavors you use or come up with. I would love to know. I'm going to see y'all later.